If you enter your address into Word, you can insert that address anywhere you want in a document by using a single field. This quick tip shows you how easy it is to do this. Word automatically maintains several items of information about you as a user. One such item is your address, which you can easily change. All you need to do is go over to File, then click on Options down at the very bottom here, and Word displays the Word Options dialog box. We want to click on Advanced at the left side of the screen, and then we're going to scroll down to the General section, which is right down near the very bottom. Notice that there's a mailing address area right here. I can put in my mailing address. Now we'll put in the mailing address for a guy named John Doe. And once the address is in there, then all I have to do is click on OK, and it's saved by Word. At this point, we can use it within the document. All we have to do is position the insertion point where we want the address inserted. We're going to go ahead and insert it right at the very beginning of this document, and then display the Insert tab of the ribbon. Over at the right part of the screen, we're going to click on Quick Parts and then choose Field. That displays the Field dialog box. In the list of categories, we're going to choose User Information, which is right down here near the bottom of this list. Notice that there's only 3 user information pieces that are now available. The one we want is the one that's selected right here, User Address. We click on that, and then we click on OK, and the address is inserted within the document. Now realize that this is a field. Why would you want to insert it as a field like this? Well, number one, it saves a lot of typing if you use the address quite a bit in your documents. But also if you go back and change that information in the Word Options dialog box, then it can be updated automatically any place that you've used that field within your documents. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.